check out our newest feature release, automatic time zone capture on forms and surveys. So, what is this new update all about? Well, now you're going to be able to effortlessly streamline your workflows as the system seamlessly captures and organizes lead time zones upon form or survey submission. Why this matters and how it's going to help you within your business. One of the things that I love about this feature is that it's going to ensure that your messages are delivered at the right times across different time zones. It's also going to make it possible to automatically capture and organize contact time zones without needing to use manual input. And because time zone sensitivity is important in workflows, this becomes even more efficient with those auto captured time zones. So let me show you exactly where you're now going to find these time zones. First, you're going to want to go to Sites under the left-hand navigation. And when that upper navigation window opens up, you're going to choose either forms or surveys. The directions that I'm going to share with you from here work on both forms and surveys. So you're going to go ahead and create an access form or a survey. Once you're inside of either a form or a survey, go ahead and click on this little settings button in the upper right-hand corner as shown on this screenshot. Now we're going to access the time zone feature. Go to option and scroll down to the time zone setting. Now, after you've enabled that or verified that it is enabled, go ahead and click save. Now go back to the main menu with the back button and check the details. After the form has been submitted, you're going to click on Forms, or if you're in Surveys, you'll really do the same thing. But after you click on either Forms or Surveys, you're going to click Submissions. Now, let's go ahead and locate that time zone within our records. So under all forms, you're going to go ahead and select any form that you'd like to go ahead and look at. And now scroll down. You'll see that there is a new time zone capture area. We really hope you enjoy this new feature. Let us know if you need any help at all.